that ass, 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 that ass. She bad, she bad, she bad, she bad, she bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this look is basically a half cut crease with like gold glitter liner. And yeah, if you like to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So first we're just working a neutral brown shade into our crease for our transition shade. Well, past our crease, but in the crease as well. And I'm not sure what brush this is, but it's just a small fluffy brush. It's easy to get in the crease area, so I like to use this. And I already beforehand done my eyebrows and primed my lids using my Fenty Beauty concealer. Now I'm taking this small detailing brush and I'm taking a darker, warmer brown and I'm applying that directly into the crease, and I'm going to blend that out as well just to add a little more depth and dimension. You don't have to be super neat when you're applying eyeshadow, just as long as you blend it out really, really well and seamlessly. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm using the exact same brush. Doesn't really matter. You don't have to keep switching brushes. And again, this look was super, super, super simple and easy to do. Very, very beginner friendly. So anybody can do this look, honestly. It's super, super easy. I feel like this is the perfect eye look for weddings, you know, going out. It's pretty versatile. You can do a lot with it. Now I'm cutting my crease using a flat brush, a small flat brush, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty concealer again. And you want to take your time with this. I know this video is sped up, but really, really take your time, unless you're a pro. But yeah, take your time. There have been plenty of times when I've been cutting my crease and have to start completely over. So, and I think, I'm not really sure, but I'm pretty sure, well, not sure, but sure. I think I do have hooded eyes, so I probably should have cut my crease a little higher. But yeah, I think my eyes are a bit hooded, which just means it's harder to see your eyeshadows when your eyes are open. So yeah, nothing too dramatic. It's not really a big deal, but next time I will go a little higher with the crease. Now I'm just taking a neutral, like nudish white shade, and I'm just setting the lid so that concealer doesn't move and that it stays in place. You can use a setting powder. Any powder, it really doesn't matter. Now I'm taking the second shade from the beginning that I put directly into the crease, and I'm just putting that on the outside of the cut crease because we want this to have like an ombre effect. It's a half cut crease, not a full cut crease. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm blending it into the outer corner of my eye. So this look kind of reminded me of like coffee, like different shades of coffee. Now I'm taking a shade a little lighter than that, and I'm putting that before it. So that's kind of in the middle of my lid, but not really. So just watch. It's pretty self-explanatory. And yeah, now I'm taking a bright, like almost white shade, and I'm applying that to the inner corner of my eye. So it's gonna have a nice like ombre effect type thing. But yeah, this look was super, super pretty. I'm super proud of myself. I don't like wearing eyeshadow. I honestly hate it. But yeah. A lot of people think that I don't know how to do eyeshadow because I don't wear it. But that's not the case. Oh, for this, now I'm taking this e.l.f. glitter liner, and it's in the shade Shimmering Gold, and I'm just doing this to the line of the cut crease, I guess you can say. But here's another trick. If you mess up your cut crease, not too bad, and you don't want to start over, just always like use a glitter liner that kind of matches the color story of your eyeshadow look, and it will basically disguise it. But I didn't mess up. I just wanted to use this because I think it was really pretty. I actually tried to film this look before and it came out trash, so I threw it away. Now I'm taking this eyeliner by Remo London. I do not know how to talk, but I'm just doing a thin line on my lash line, and I smushed it out a bit and mattified it with some black liner, and I'm applying these lashes. These lashes are from, I'm not sure, I think these are the Kiss Faux Mink. Yeah, here they are. Kiss Lash, whatever. Anyways, now I'm just doing my everyday foundation routine. I have a video on this look if you would like to see it. I will link it in the description box below, so make sure you go check that out. But yeah, nothing too crazy, simple. I kind of sped through it. But just look at these eyes, like they are so perfect. Now I have to do more eye looks, and I took off my my mink extensions just for y'all so I could do this look. So because it's really hard to do eye looks with mink extensions on, especially on yourself. So I'm taking the same colors used in the beginning in the crease, and I'm just applying those to the bottom underneath my eye, just to add like some sultriness and a little more dimension. Nothing too crazy. So yeah, we're just doing the same colors. And y'all, don't come for my lace. I know it's crusty and it's time to take it off, okay? And it has a ton of makeup caked in it. And another question, let me know if you guys would want a video on how I dye blonde hair, and I want to do a bright color. I'm thinking lavender purple or baby pink, so let me know which one you guys would like to see. Now I'm just applying some highlighter in my brow bone and also in the inner corner to add a little pizzazz. This just opens up the eyes a bit more. And that's the end of the look. Thank you guys for watching.